Good day everyone, welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about simplifying rational expression.
Here are the steps in simplifying rational expressions. So first is we are going to factor the numerator and the denominator. Second step is to perform the cancellation method. Now, when we talk about cancellation, it is dividing a factor in the numerator by the same factor in the denominator. Now, let's go on to our examples. So let's have an example. For example, we're given this rational expression. So first thing that we need to do is to factor our numerator and our denominator. So let's identify the factoring type that we're going to use for these two given expressions. So for the numerator, we're going to use common monomial factoring or CMF. And for the denominator, we are also going to apply common monomial factoring. So let's apply those type of factoring. So for the numerator, our greatest common factor is y. Then our other factor is x plus 3. Okay, over our denominator. Let's apply common monomial factoring. So our greatest common factor for the denominator is 4. And the other factor will be x plus 3. Now, we are going to apply cancellation if we have a common factor for numerator and denominator. So let's divide. So we have x plus 3 cancel, x plus 3 cancel. So our answer will be, or our simplified form will be y over 4. And that will be our final answer. Okay, let's have another example. For example, we're given this rational expression. So first thing that we need to do is for us to factor our numerator and denominator. So let's identify the type of factoring that we are going to use for this numerator and denominator. So for the numerator, we're going to use common monomial factoring. And for our denominator, we're going to use quadratic trinomial case 1. Okay, so now let's proceed to factoring. So for the numerator, our common factor is 3. So factor out 3. And then the other factor will be a minus 2 over. So for the denominator, we're going to apply quadratic trinomial case number 1. So let's have our factor. So we have a and a, positive 3 and negative 2. Okay, and then after that, let's apply cancellation. So cancel the common factors. Okay, let's write what's left in our expression. So we have 3 over a plus 3. This will be our final answer. Alright, okay. So let's have another example. So for example, we're given this expression. So first thing that we need to do is to factor our numerator and our denominator. So for our, so first let's identify the factoring type that we're going to use for our numerator and our denominator. So for our numerator, we are going to use difference of two squares. So we're going to use difference of two squares. For our denominator, we're going to use quadratic trinomial case number 1. Okay, so let's apply factoring. So for the numerator, we will have a factor of k plus 3, k minus 3. For our denominator, it will be, let's distribute the first term. Let's identify the factor of positive 12 whose sum is 7. So it will be negative 4 and negative 3. Second step is apply cancellation. So cancel the common factor that is present to numerator or to our numerator and denominator. Okay, so this is equal to k plus 3 all over k minus 4. And this will be our final answer.
Alright, now that you already know how to simplify rational expression, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skill. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.